Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Daily English Podcast, where learning English feels natural, calm, and enjoyable. I'm Anna.
And I'm Mark.
Hello, Anna, and hello to all our wonderful listeners around the world. It's great to have you with us today.
It really is. Mark, I'm feeling excited about today's episode.
Me too. There's a special energy in the air, isn't there?
Yes, the calendar is about to change, and people everywhere are thinking about new beginnings.
That's right. Today, we're talking about New Year in English.
We'll help you learn how to talk about New Year celebrations, plans, traditions, and hopes for the future using simple, natural English.
This episode is perfect for beginners and early intermediate learners, so relax, listen, and enjoy the conversation.
Before we begin, a small request. If you enjoy our podcast and want to improve your English step by step,
Please subscribe to Daily English Podcast, like this episode, and share it with someone who's learning English.
your support helps us reach more learners around the world. Thank you so much.
Let's start with some important New Year vocabulary. These words are very common, so you will hear them often.
Yes, and we'll explain each word slowly and clearly.
Our first word is resolution.
A resolution is a promise you make to yourself at the beginning of the new year. It's something you want to improve or change.
For example, my New Year's resolution is to practice English every day.
Or, my resolution is to eat healthier food.
When you follow your resolution, we say you keep your resolution.
And when you stop following it, we say you break your resolution.
Many people break their resolutions, and that's okay. Trying is what matters.
Our next word is countdown.
A countdown is when we count backward 10, 9, 8, 7.
We do the countdown on New Year's Eve, right before midnight.
Everyone watches the clock, counts together, and waits for the new year to begin.
Next word, toast.
Toast can mean bread, but here it means something different.
A toast is when you raise your glass and say something kind or hopeful before drinking.
For example, here's to a Happy New Year.
We can also use it as a verb. Let's toast to the new year.
Another useful phrase is ring in the new year.
This means to celebrate the arrival of the new year.
For example, we're going to ring in the new year with friends.
And our last phrase for now is turn over a new leaf.
This is an idiom. It means to make a positive change and start fresh.
For example, this year I want to turn over a new leaf and be more organized. Okay, Mark, let me ask you a question. What are your plans for New Year's Eve?
New Year's Eve is December 31st, the last night of the year. This year, I'm going to a small party at a friend's house.
That sounds nice. What kind of party is it?
It's very casual, just close friends hanging out.
Hang out means spending relaxed time together.
Exactly. We'll eat snacks, play games, talk, and watch the countdown on TV.
Are you going to watch the ball drop in New York?
Yes, millions of people watch it every year.
Standing outside in the cold looks hard, though.
I agree. I prefer watching it from a warm couch.
What happens at midnight?
Everyone cheers, hugs, and says Happy New Year. We make a toast with our drinks.
That sounds lovely.
Mark, what about you, Anna? How do you usually ring in the new year?
In my family, we have a quiet tradition. At midnight, we open the front door.
Open the front door. Why?
It's symbolic. We let the old year out and welcome the new year in.
That's beautiful.
Do you eat special food on New Year's Eve?
Yes, my friend makes black-eyed peas. People believe they bring good luck.
In some countries, people eat 12 grapes at midnight, one for each month.
That sounds difficult and fun at the same time.
Mark, do you make New Year's resolutions?
Yes, I do. This year, my resolution is to exercise 3 times a week.
That's realistic. Not too easy, not too hard.
Exactly. I've learned that realistic goals are easier to keep.
My resolution is to learn new recipes and cook more at home.
That's a delicious goal.
Let's talk about New Year's Day, January 1st.
For me, it's very quiet. I like to sleep in.
Sleep in means waking up later than usual.
Yes, I rest, relax, and enjoy a slow morning.
New Year's Day feels fresh, like a new page.
Some people say it's a fresh start.
or a chance to kick off the new year in a positive way.
New Year is celebrated differently around the world.
In Scotland, there's a celebration called Hogmanay.
In Spain, people eat 12 grapes.
In Brazil, people wear white and jump over ocean waves.
In some Asian countries, people clean their homes to remove bad luck.
Different traditions, same hope.
New Year is also a time for reflection.
Reflection means thinking about the past year.
What went well? What was difficult?
And what are you grateful for?
Gratitude means being thankful.
Even hard years have moments of gratitude.
New Year gives us permission to reset.
To try again, to grow.
Before we finish, we have a challenge for you.
Leave a comment and tell us your New Year's resolution.
Use the words you learned today.
Don't worry about mistakes. Practice is progress.
Thank you for listening to Daily English Podcast.
We wish you health, happiness, and success in the new year.
Happy New Year!
Happy learning. Bye for now.